YouTube gang, what's good? It's your boy Will back in the building with another video. Today is July the 1st. It's already July, y'all. And yo, I'm finally gotta do something with my hair. I haven't had a haircut since March due to obvious reasons. But yo, this ain't it. I gotta get fresh. I'm about to go get a haircut real quick. And hopefully UPS will have my order ready today. It's like a long story. I literally been hiding behind this hat for like a minute, but so y'all can see, bruh. Yes, sir. And just like that, your boy is back. We hooked the brother up though. I'm digging it. Had to get that top done. Feel like I'm kind of back to my regular self. Finally. It's been a while. Now we about to head to UPS. Hopefully they got my stuff ready, and then we'll go back to the crib and check the new chair out. It's from a company called Ergonomic. Okay guys, so it is the next day. It's 3:12. I actually got like an hour before we leave out to go to New Orleans, and I'm gonna try to put this chair together really quick. Spent most of my day today running some errands, and I finished up a video that will be posted already by the time you see in this video. It's about the Wise Cam. We're gonna finish this chair. Hopefully we can get it done within an hour. I'm talking too much. Let's get it, y'all. Let's see how this bad boy comes together. Let's see how long it takes. Tools. I like it when they include the screw that you need. Piece for the chair. This thing is heavy, y'all. Okay, one of these guys. Headrest. Bottom. The footrest. This footrest is heavy. What is this? Oh, this is the back of the chair. Ergonomic. And the instructions. Alright, it's only 10 steps, so I think I should be able to do this pretty quickly. And this is the color. I got the cool gray color. It looks huge. It looks way bigger than I expected compared to online. See, now we gotta clean this up. I'm guessing these are the wheels. Oh, look at that. They gave us a screwdriver. Here are the wheels, 5 wheels. And this is the up and down motor for the seat. This is a very weird angle. I'm sorry, guys. Not too bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 physical pieces. We got about 45 minutes left. So let's go. Let's get through this. Let's see if we can get it together. It's getting kind of stressful. All right. I just assumed that was the next step. And I was right. That is the next step. Okay guys, that was kind of bad, but not too bad. But the final moment of truth. Not bad. Alright, let me check out this leg rest. This is actually pretty comfortable. Boom, boom. Okay. Got some footrest action. And this should be for Yeah, man. This is the life, y'all. I just take a nap right here. So what do you guys think about the new autonomous MyoChair? I think it's pretty awesome. I have to really kind of like, play with it in order to like give a full review. But so far so good. I will say the instructions were a little finicky, but the chair looks really dope. This is at its lowest setting. Let's see how high it goes. Okay, so this is its highest setting. I feel like I'm floating. I feel like I'm like way off the ground, y'all. Bruh. Look at that thing. Look at it spin, y'all. That is freaking awesome. I really love that headrest too. So now when I'm here playing video games, I could literally just kick back and relax. I like the mesh backing as well. These are adjustable too. This is kind of like the first look / build of the chair, and I really need to get some sitting time with it to really give like a full review. But I will say the butt part is very firm. This back part this is adjustable a little bit. This is adjustable as well. And the footrest is a little adjustable. That's how you close it in, open it, and bam. I think it's freaking dope. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. But I am really digging this. It is literally time to go, so I gotta pack my camera bag real quick and we're off to New Orleans. I will leave links down in the description for the MyoChair. I think if you guys use my link, you get like a huge discount, and with that discount code it also gives me a little kickback. Stay tuned for the review. So with all that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'm out, y'all. Gotta go. New Orleans. I'm gonna see you guys there. Deuces. This is awesome. I am starting to make myself dizzy. Alright, gang. Finally packed up my bags and we out, headed for New Orleans. Hopefully I'm gonna see you guys there.